I think we've got a hidden curve here. Let me take a quick look. Yep, we need to bridge this curve to the panel to create a tangent between the two panels. Just select both points and loft them. Then, hit the Tab key 3 times for a G1 connection. Then select both curves and press J to join them. Rebuild it if necessary. By clicking on Points, the control points on the curve will be evenly and nicely distributed. This will generate a cleaner surface when you loft it. This curve is slightly longer than it should be, so let's cut it. Use the split command, then press Alt and J combo to unjoin them and delete what you don't need. Let's loft between edge and curve. G0 at the edge side. And this should give me G1. Fantastic, fabulous. To join sheets together, select them, then press the J key. Let's clean up a bit. It's not the case to fillet it now. We will take advantage of another juicy technique. Let's move on, folks, to the next part. I am going to create this piece exactly like I did before. Follow along with the video carefully. To get a clearer view of where to place my lines, I'm going to activate the shaded version of my blueprint. I recommend you do the same, folks. Now let's kick things off by laying down this line. Well, more like this spline. Switch to the back view and move your points to the right. Don't move them up or down. You know why, right? Move them one by one till they match the bold line. If it comes out not precise, no worries too much about that, folks. We can always fix it later on. Switch frequently among the views to make sure everything is fine. Let's give it a look from the top view as well. Well, if you move the points up or down, that's going to mess the points in the other views. Try to move them slightly to the left, or let them as they are. The blueprints not always match perfectly. You should be quite familiar with creating a tangent line. Create one right now, grab the spline tool, click on this point and grab your mouse till the tangency snap pops up, then press Tab for the control point curve tool. At this point, you can switch to the right view while the curve tool is activated. You can also turn on the blueprints while the curve tool is active, just like that. Define now the spline from the top view. Use as less points as possible. Right-click when you're happy with it. Then, from the right view, try to match the bold lines of your image. We can simply loft between the two curves. It should come out nicely. If my eye isn't being tricked, there is no tangency between these two panels. I'll take a chance to show you how to fix that. Later on, no worries, folks. Okay, let's cut it according to the highlight. Execute the imprint command and delete the left part. Let's go ahead and create a tangent line we're going to make the back of the car. Create a tangent line. I won't explain how to do that again, folks. In the right view, stretch this line all the way down, then we will shape it properly from the back view. The golden rule, keep it simple. Use as few points as possible. Now move your points either to the left and right according to the bold line. Each point must be moved till it meets the bold line. That's the spot where the control point is supposed to be. Look at this, please. That's where it should be. Once you're satisfied with that, feel free to make any adjustments you desire, but don't break the overall shape. Since the shape of this piece doesn't follow the wheel, we need to define another spline to accomplish it. Let's use the spline tool for this task. At the beginning, take the circle as guide, just like I am doing now. From now on, follow along the blueprint. Head over to the back view. We need to follow this shape here. Put the control points on the bold line. If you're having a hard time to visualize your curves, turn the red blueprint off. Rebuild the curve if you think you need more control points to achieve that shape. Okay, start by moving the points to the right-hand side.